Asian currencies are experiencing a remarkable surge, a phenomenon that has been building momentum over the past few years. They are growing stronger against the US dollar, reflecting the robust economic growth and increasing financial stability in the region. This has captured the attention of investors and economists worldwide, who are now closely monitoring these dynamic markets for new opportunities. From the bustling hubs of Singapore and Hong Kong, known for their financial prowess, to the emerging markets of Vietnam and Indonesia, which are rapidly developing, the Asian economic landscape is undergoing a profound transformation, marked by significant infrastructure development and increased market activity. This surge in Asian currencies is not just a temporary blip, it is indicative of a deeper, more sustained trend that points to the long-term potential of these economies. It is a sign of a much larger trend, one that suggests a shift in the global economic balance of power. Asian economies are becoming increasingly powerful, driven by innovation, industrial growth, and strategic investments. They are more influential on the global stage, participating actively in international financial summits and shaping global economic policies. This shift in the global financial order is a significant development, one that could alter the dynamics of international finance and trade. It has the potential to reshape international trade, making Asian markets more central to global supply chains and economic exchanges. It could redefine the relationship between East and West, fostering new partnerships and economic alliances. As we delve deeper into the factors driving this currency surge, we will explore the economic policies, market dynamics, and geopolitical factors at play. We'll uncover the forces at play, examining how these elements interact to create a powerful upward trajectory for Asian currencies. We'll see how they are shaping the future of the global economy, setting the stage for a new era of economic leadership and innovation. The current strength of Asian currencies stands in stark contrast to the Asian financial crisis of 1997. Back then, many Asian currencies experienced a sharp decline. This caused widespread economic turmoil. The crisis exposed vulnerabilities in some Asian economies. It highlighted the risks of rapid financial liberalization. It also demonstrated the interconnectedness of the global financial system. Today, Asian economies are in a much stronger position. They have learned from the mistakes of the past. They have built up substantial foreign exchange reserves. They have implemented prudent economic policies. The 1997 crisis serves as a reminder of the importance of financial stability. It also highlights the resilience of Asian economies. They have rebounded stronger than ever before. One of the key drivers of Asian currency appreciation is trade. Asian economies have become global leaders in manufacturing and exports. This has resulted in a surge in demand for their currencies. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea are major exporters of electronics, automobiles, and other goods. Their products are in high demand worldwide. This has led to a steady inflow of foreign currency. The rise of e-commerce has further boosted Asian exports. Online platforms have made it easier for Asian businesses to reach global consumers. This has accelerated the growth of cross-border trade. As Asian economies continue to expand their export markets, the demand for their currencies is expected to remain strong. This will contribute to their continued appreciation. In addition to trade, investment flows are playing a significant role in the rise of Asian currencies. Investors around the world are increasingly drawn to the growth potential of Asian economies. Emerging markets in Southeast Asia in particular offer attractive investment opportunities. These economies are characterized by rapid economic growth, a young and growing workforce, and increasing urbanization. Foreign direct investment has been pouring into sectors such as technology, infrastructure, and consumer goods. This influx of capital is driving up demand for Asian currencies. As Asian economies continue to grow and mature, they are becoming increasingly attractive destinations for global investors. This trend is likely to continue, further supporting the strength of Asian currencies. Section 5: Currency Wars: Managing the Rise of Asian Currencies. The appreciation of Asian currencies has not been without its challenges. Some countries have faced pressure to intervene in currency markets. They want to prevent their currencies from appreciating too rapidly. A strong currency can make exports more expensive. This can harm a country's competitiveness. Governments may try to manage their exchange rates to maintain a balance between exports and imports. Currency manipulation is a complex issue with potential implications for global trade relations. It is a topic of ongoing debate and discussion among policymakers and economists. As Asian currencies continue to rise, managing their exchange rates will be a delicate balancing act. It will require careful consideration of domestic economic conditions and international trade dynamics. Section 6. A New World Order. The implications for global trade. The rise of Asian currencies has significant implications for global trade. It's shifting the balance of economic power, creating new opportunities and challenges for businesses and consumers worldwide. As Asian currencies appreciate, their purchasing power increases. This makes imported goods and services more affordable. Consumers in Asian countries may benefit from lower prices on imported products. However, a stronger Asian currency can make Asian exports more expensive for buyers in other parts of the world. This could lead to a decline in demand for Asian goods. The changing dynamics of global trade will require businesses to adapt their strategies. They will need to adjust to the new realities of the global marketplace. Section 7. The dollar's dilemma, a shifting balance of power. The surge of Asian currencies is closely linked to the performance of the US dollar. As the dollar fluctuates, it creates ripples across global markets, influencing the strength and stability of other currencies. The dollar has been the world's reserve currency for decades, a symbol of economic stability and power. However, its dominance is being challenged by emerging economies and shifting geopolitical landscapes. Factors such as the US trade deficit, mounting government debt, and increasing geopolitical uncertainties have weighed heavily on the dollar's value. These issues have sparked concerns about the long-term sustainability of the dollar's dominance. This has created an opportunity for other currencies, particularly those in Asia, to gain ground. The Chinese yuan, Japanese yen, and Indian rupee are among the currencies that have shown significant growth and resilience. The rise of Asian currencies could lead to a multipolar currency system, where no single currency holds absolute dominance. Instead, multiple currencies would share the role of reserve currency, reflecting a more balanced global economic power structure. In this system, several currencies would share reserve currency status, reducing the world's reliance on the US dollar and potentially leading to greater financial stability and diversification. This shift would have far-reaching implications for the global financial system, affecting everything from international trade to investment strategies and monetary policies. The evolving relationship between the US dollar and Asian currencies will be a key factor in shaping the future of the global monetary order. As these dynamics continue to unfold, they will redefine economic alliances and influence the strategies of nations and financial institutions worldwide. Section 8. Charting the Future. Predictions and Possibilities. Predicting future currency movements is notoriously difficult. However, several factors suggest that Asian currencies are likely to remain strong in the coming years. The continued economic growth of Asian economies, their robust export performance, and their attractiveness to foreign investors all point to a positive outlook for Asian currencies. However, there are also risks and uncertainties to consider. Global economic slowdowns, trade tensions, and geopolitical events could all impact currency markets. Despite these uncertainties, the long-term trajectory for Asian currencies appears to be upward. Their rise reflects the growing economic might and influence of the region. Section 9. Navigating the New Landscape, Opportunities and Challenges. The rise of Asian currencies presents both opportunities and challenges for businesses, investors, and policymakers. This shift in the financial landscape is driven by the rapid economic growth and increasing influence of Asian economies on the global stage. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for navigating the evolving global economic landscape. Businesses must stay informed about currency trends and economic policies in Asia to make strategic decisions. For businesses, adapting to the changing currency markets will be essential. This means not only monitoring exchange rates, but also understanding the underlying economic factors driving these changes. Companies engaged in international trade will need to manage their currency exposure. Effective risk management strategies, such as hedging, can help mitigate potential losses due to currency fluctuations. They will need to explore new markets and opportunities. By diversifying their market presence, businesses can reduce their dependency on any single currency or economy. Investors should consider the potential benefits of diversifying their portfolios. Investing in a mix of assets, including those denominated in Asian currencies, can enhance returns and spread risk. They can invest in Asian currencies and assets. This includes stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments that are tied to the economic performance of Asian countries. However, they should also be mindful of the risks associated with emerging markets. These markets can be volatile and subject to sudden changes in economic and political conditions. The rise of Asian currencies is a testament to the region's economic dynamism. It reflects the growing importance of Asia in the global economy and the increasing confidence of investors in these markets. It is a trend that will continue to shape the global economy for years to come. As Asia's influence grows, businesses and investors worldwide will need to adapt to this new reality and seize the opportunities it presents.